How to create an invitation card on Canva. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create an invitation card on Canva for your holiday season or for every event that you have. So let's get into it. So this is basically canva.com. When you go onto your browser, write Canva, it will show you this page and then you can open it. Then you need to basically sign up or log in accordingly and you will land onto this. Now what you need to do is you're just going to type in here invitation card, and Canva is going to give you the templates that you need to create an invitation card. If you don't want to do that, you can just go on to click on this option which says create design, and you can create a template, custom design for yourself. But I would basically recommend you to go on and choose some kind of template or see what it's basically looks like to design an invitation card, because it is going to get you started in a way better manner. So as you can see, I have got some invitation cards templates right here. You can just choose any of this template if you want to, or you can just go on and create a custom design for yourself. I'm just going to choose this one because it is available, or this one. I'm going to choose this and I'm going to customize this template. So here you can see this is the template that I have. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. Now if I want to change anything about this template, I can just go on and edit the whole thing, or just some things that I want. Like for example, I want to change the background. I'm just going to click on this background option. I'm going on to backgrounds. I'm going to see something that I like, or I can just choose a solid color for myself. Let's say this is the background that I want. Like I want to add this kind of background to my invitation card. I know it doesn't suit, but I'm just going to show you for the sake of it. Or I'm just gonna go and choose this background for my invitation card. So this is how it's gonna look. So it basically changed the whole theme and whole color of the invitation card. Now if you want to change the colors of these specific flowers, just go on and click on edit image, and then you can basically change the colors and of this. You can add duotones, you can change the brightness, the contrast, saturation. For example, I'm going to increase the saturation. It looks much more, it looks very bright. I want to increase the contrast, I want to increase the brightness. So as you can see, they are very bright now. You can just go on and change everything like that. Then you can change the names, and after you have done everything, after you have created and everything, just click on this option which says share. Then you're able to download your design and you can make as many prints of it as you want. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Take care and bye bye.